In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Apple ID password or view Apple ID password if your iPhone or iPad is running iOS 18 or later. Apple has made it straightforward to view saved passwords using the native Passwords app. Think of this app as your built-in secure vault, where your device keeps logins you've chosen to save. It's protected by your device's security, so only you can unlock it. Start by opening the Passwords app on your iPhone or iPad. This is the dedicated app introduced to give you quick access to all stored credentials in one place. Once it's open, you will be prompted to unlock it using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This is completely normal and ensures your information stays private. If Face ID or Touch ID doesn't recognize you right away, it may ask for your passcode instead. Just authenticate as you usually do. After you are in, you will see a list of saved accounts. To quickly locate your Apple ID entry, either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top. Type Apple or enter the email address you use for your Apple ID. Searching is often the fastest method, especially if you have many logins saved. You are looking for the entry that corresponds to your Apple account, which will typically include the Apple name or your Apple ID email. Tap the account to open its details here. You'll see fields like username and password. To reveal the password, tap the password field. For security, your device may ask you to authenticate again with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before showing the characters. Once revealed, read it carefully and avoid showing your screen to others. It's a good idea to do this in a private setting, so your information stays secure. If you don't see your Apple ID listed, it simply means the password might not have been saved to this device. In that case, there won't be anything to reveal in the Passwords app. Also remember, this method requires iOS 18 or later, so if you are using an older version of iOS, the Passwords app as described here may not be available. When you are finished, just leave the screen or close the app. It will lock itself automatically after a short time or the next time your device locks, keeping your information protected. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.